Welcome, gentlemen, to the High Value Men's Guide to Building a Successful Career. In today's competitive world, building a successful career requires more than just hard work. It's about cultivating the mindset and skills that set high-value men apart. Define your purpose, discover your passion, align your values, and set clear goals for your career journey. When you know your purpose, you become unstoppable. Master the art of networking. Building meaningful connections opens doors and creates opportunities. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. Invest in lifelong learning. Stay ahead in your industry by continuously improving your knowledge and skills. The quest for knowledge never ends for a high-value man. Prioritize health and wellness. A successful career is built on a strong foundation. Take care of your body and mind. They are your most valuable assets. Embrace mentorship. Seek guidance from those who have walked the path before you. A mentor can offer invaluable insights and help you navigate challenges. Make bold decisions. High-value men are not afraid to take calculated risks and make tough choices. Trust your instincts and embrace uncertainty. It's where growth happens. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how big or small. Recognize that success is a journey, not just a destination. Remember, building a successful career is not just about reaching the top. It's about becoming the best version of yourself along the way. Embrace the challenges, stay resilient, and keep pushing forward, because as high-value men, the world is ours to conquer.